is Amanda and I'm coming to you from the Fair Oaks Library. Today we are going to make some bath bombs, so get your supplies ready and let's jump right in. Our supplies today include 1 cup baking soda, 3/4 cups citric acid, 3/4 cups Epsom salt, 3/4 cups cornstarch, 1/4 cup coconut oil, essential oils in whatever scent you prefer, 4 teaspoons of water, and some fun stuff to mix in, including sprinkles and food coloring, and may also include dried flowers or whatever else you'd like to pop in there. You'll also need a mixing bowl and some kind of stirring utensil, and a mold to help shape your bath bombs. Starting with the dry ingredients, we're going to toss in that baking soda, the citric acid, the Epsom salt, and the cornstarch. Then we're going to give that a shake just to get everything well incorporated. Moving on to the wet ingredients, we're going to start with the coconut oil. It is melted slightly just to make it a little bit easier to work with. Make sure you kind of spread that around because it does have a tendency to clump up. Moving on to the fun part, the essential oils. I'm just using 1 today, but you can always mix and match. You probably don't want to use too many variations because it will become a little bit overpowering if it's, 12 scents in there. Finally, I'm adding the water in small batches, so you want to do just a little bit at a time. As you can see in the video, it does kind of fizz up. That's perfectly normal. That's what bath bombs do. They react to water. It does take a while to mix everything up, so be ready to do some stirring. At this stage, it's a little bit easier just to kind of press it with your hand and knead it like dough. Once it starts to clump together nicely, you are ready to toss it into your mold and start making shapes. When pressing them into your mold, or in my case a cupcake pan, you want to make sure that you're really pushing everything down firmly so that it holds its shape. You will also let this rest for 24 hours before trying to remove it, at least 24 hours. More time is always a little bit better. And once you're done, you have a beautiful new bath bomb that you made yourself.